Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be going to talk about the importance of giving GTs and will also going to share some tips on how to analyze your GT. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Let me tell you my experience. When I was also preparing for the FMG exam, I have heard from so many people, and my coaching institute had also suggested us that you should have to give at least one GT per week, irrespective of number of subjects you have completed. Trust me guys, when I have started giving GTs, it helped me a lot to find out my weaker subjects. So basic thing you have to keep in mind that you should have to give at least one GT per week. So what will happen that by giving frequent GTs, it will help you to work on your weaker subjects, and what will happen that it will be helpful when you will give next GT. So keep in mind one thing, that these GTs are curated very carefully and accordingly to the last year papers, and there is a high probability of getting similar questions in the real exam. Now come up a question that how will you analyze your GT? Either you can analyze whole GT in one day, or you have to give subsequent days to analyze this GT. So for analyzing the GTs, it plays a crucial step, because what happens that sometimes we just give GTs for the sake of giving and we don't analyze it properly. So try to go through all the answers on the same day. For detailed analysis of the GT, you should have to allot every day 2 hours to analyze it, and you should have to complete whole analysis before giving the next GT. So in this analysis, what you will do that first you should have to go through all the incorrect answers, and whatever new question come up in the exam, you should have to just jot it down your mistakes in one book. So what will happen that it will be helpful for you to revise before giving the next GT. You should have to go through all the correct answers, and if you feel that you don't know any explanation of particular question, then you should have to write it down in a book, and will also helpful for you to revise it again. So while analyzing a GT, you will come across some questions from a particular subject that you haven't studied yet. So in that case, what you have to do that you should have to go through the explanation and just note down the topic in a book. So this will helpful for you when you will going to start that subject. So at least you have a list of important topics from a particular subject at one place. So whenever you start, you have to focus on that important topics, and will be helpful in preparing and revising that subject. So by seeing your mistakes and correcting them, you are indirectly revising that topic, and by giving more and more GTs, you will be revising important topics again and again. At the end, I want to tell you one thing, that don't avoid giving GTs because of the fear of getting low scores. So by practicing more and more GTs, you are getting a chance to improvise and work on your weaker subjects, and will also helpful for you to correct more questions in the exam. I hope that whatever information I have shared will helpful for you, and if you like my video, then just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section, and also share with your friends. Thanks for watching.